Hello everyone, I'm Song Chen, the host of Sichuan TV station. Have you ever heard of a place called Gangyun Shanlin? If not, let me show you. This spruce forest is located in Bome County. It was selected as one of the 10 most beautiful forests in China by Chinese National Geographic magazine. The spruce forest is about 2,700 meters above sea level, and the forest is full of oxygen, suitable for hiking. In this forest, as far as the eye can see, there is nothing but green. Sometimes there is a gentle breeze blowing, accompanied by the melodious singing of birds, which allows visitors to leave their worries behind and experience a sense of rejuvenation for both body and mind.